CAT Production Measurement manages productivity on your job site to the targets you specify so you can achieve the success you want. This video demonstrates how to reach a specific target payload. You can customize the system for many loading operations. Become familiar with the options to get the most advantage possible. Often, only a partial load is required to achieve the desired total weight for on-highway trucks. The Caterpillar Production Measurement System can display the total truck payload dynamically as material is being removed from the bucket. Traditionally, the operator would lift the bucket to scale the weight, dump a partial bucket, clear the current payload, and then lower and lift the bucket again to rescale. This process is repeated until the proper bucket payload is reached. Using CAT Production Measurement, the operator can now use the estimated weight to adjust the payload before raising it through the weigh range. This method can get the proper scaled weight in one step. You can tip off part of an estimated weight back into the stockpile before carrying it to the truck. Stockpile tip-off is indicated by a highlighted stockpile icon. Slowly lift the bucket above 30% until the estimated weight appears. Stop the lift significantly below the normal start of weigh range. Tip off the excess material at that height. Roll back the bucket. Raise it through the weigh range for a scaled weight that finishes the truckload. Benefits of tipping with an estimated weight are fewer lifts required, improved efficiency, and faster cycle time. Alternatively, you can tip off to the truck until the target is reached and leave the extra material in the bucket. Load the bucket and proceed to the truck as part of the normal pattern. A scaled weight will appear on the screen. Tip off part of the bucket while watching the total truck weight until the desired truck weight is reached. Press the Store button. Roll back the bucket and select the next truck that is waiting for the same type of material. Press the Estimated Weight button to view the weight and dump that partial bucket into that truck. The remaining partial bucket will be counted toward the new truck. Tip off to truck may not be as accurate on the last partial bucket load, since the last bucket is the estimated weight instead of the scaled weight. To maximize truck tip-off accuracy, lower the bucket and rescale the partial bucket before hitting Store. Set the default tip-off mode in the settings to the method you use the most, and a white box will outline the mode selected. If you need to temporarily change the tip-off mode, the tip-off toggle button can be used instead of changing the default tip-off method. Experiment with these different partial bucket loading methods to find the one that meets your needs for speed and accuracy. For full instructions, read the Machine Operations and Maintenance Manual.